This is unusual. Our latest sentiment data reveals a score of -0.70, with momentum plunging to -1.05. This is a significant dip compared to the historical baseline, indicating a stark shift in business sentiment. What's more intriguing is the presence of 19 semantic clusters, suggesting that various sectors are reacting differently yet collectively leaning negative. With our API, you can access real-time sentiment scores, momentum metrics, and detailed insights based on these clusters. Imagine integrating this data into your trading strategy or risk assessment models to make informed decisions during volatile periods. Stay ahead by leveraging these insights for your applications. For more details, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.